So picture this. You just got that new gadget of yours and you are feeling like a rock star. But hold a second. Did you ever try to check that little piece of paper or that digital blob called a warranty? Now some of you, I won't call names, would have fallen victim of those agbako vendor in the market. You know them. Those ones that will put your shirt in the market and whisper sweet nonsense about brand new in a suspicious unsealed box. And when you get home, you try to unbox what you bought. But you realize that it is what you bought that is unboxing you. I heard a story about a guy who bought a gadget from an agbako vendor because it was in a box. And on getting home, after some days of use, he developed fault. Now taking it back to the seller to get a repair, he was asked to cover thousands of naira simply because he had no warranty, not even a backup. So if you're in Nigeria or in Africa and you've just gotten yourself a gadget from those big tech like Canon, HP, Acer, and you're wondering how can you check if you are covered? Well, fear not. I'm here to give you the lowdown. But wait, why is this even important? Now, I'll give you 3 big reasons why you should always look out for warranty. First reason, avoiding unexpected cost. If that fancy gadget of yours develops fault during use and is still under the warranty period, you are entitled to return it to the seller and get a repair or replacement at low cost or zero cost. Secondly, verifying authenticity. You want to make sure you didn't accidentally buy a convincing paperweight, right? Well, checking the warranty would confirm the real deal. And finally, planning for repairs. Knowing when your warranty would expire would help you know if you want to extend it or start budgeting for a potential future hiccups. Now, let's break it down brand by brand. To start with, Canon. Whether it's a printer or a camera, you can head over to Canon Official Africa's website. That's either Canon Central and North Africa or Canon South Africa. Look for the check warranty or support section. Punch in your product serial number, usually chilling on the device itself or the box. Doing this, the warranty status would be reviewed. But if your internet is acting up, you can also give the customer support a call. Now, for all HP users, checking your warranty is as easy as eating guguru and epa. Just hop onto the HP warranty check page. Type in your serial number. You usually find it playing hide and seek at the bottom of your laptop or the back of your printer. Select your country and hit submit. And boom, expiring date and all those juicy details pops up. And guess what? If your warranty has already waved goodbye, HP often has extended option. Now, next on our list is Epson, the king of printers, projectors, and scanners. To see if your Epson gadget is still under protection, just swing into the Epson Africa's website. Find the warranty check section, input your product model and serial number, and boom, all the warranty info you need would be at your fingertip. Now, for all Dell users, Dell got you covered with a pretty sleek warranty system. Just head over to the Dell warranty status page. Click on warranty status and input your service tag. This service tag is usually found at the bottom of your laptop or the back of your desktop. And click warranty, and then you see all the important dates you need to know. Okay, so what happens if your warranty has sadly expired? Don't panic, magbon. You still got options. You can always contact authorized service centers. They might cost a bit, but they always guarantee you genuine parts and quality services. And some brands, like I mentioned earlier, allows you to buy extended warranty. And if brand service makes your wallet weep, you can explore the certified local repair shops. For example, here in Lagos, Landstrend offer quality services. But you know what is even better than checking for warranties? That is buying from places where you wouldn't even have to sweat it, like getting from Landstrend. Quality assurance, and also the cheapest price online in Nigeria. Yes, I said it. Cheapest price online in Nigeria. And they even make checking warranty look like a breeze simply because they partner directly with the brand you love. So there you have it. Stay informed, Protect your tech investments and enjoy your gadget without warranty worries. And don't forget to check those links in the description box. See you next time. Bye.